In this section, we will be looking into the text functions. Problem statement. Map the dates in the calendar to its corresponding day of the week. Now this is similar to what we did earlier when we were looking into the weekday function. Given the date as an argument, the weekday function returned the day of the week as a number between 1 to 7. Here we will be doing a similar exercise, but in this case the output will not be numerical. Instead, it will display the name of the day, like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday up till Sunday. So for that, first I'll go to the calendar table, and to this I'll add a new calculated column. And I'll call this name of the day. And here I'll use the format function. The first argument for the format function is value, which will be the date column from the calendar table. So I'll type in calendar and select the date column, comma. Now the second argument here is format. Now based on the format that we define over here, it will show the output, which is the name of the day. So I'll start with defining the format with a single D, and let's see how the output comes out. And make sure that it is between double quotes, close the bracket and enter. Now since we defined the format using a single D, you can see that the output has come in the form of number. And each number corresponds to the day in the month. So if it's 22nd January, you can see that the output is 22. If it's 5th February, you can see the output is 5. Now let us see what happens when we add one more D to our format. Hit enter. The only difference that we see over here is that even the single digits have been prefixed with a 0. So now all these are being shown as double digits. So if the format is DD, the output is a double digit number. Now let us add one more D to the format. So now you can see that we are getting the name of the day that we had been looking for. So 1st January is Thursday, 2nd is Friday, 3rd Saturday, and so on. Now by using 3 Ds as format, we are getting the shorter form of the name of the day. Now if you want the names to be displayed in full form, you can add one more D to the format and enter. So now you can see that we have the complete name of the day displayed against each date in the calendar table. So this is how you can use the format function as per your requirement.